Hi friends, choosing a good theme for your WordPress website is an important task, and WP Themes channel makes it easier for you. Today I am with a wonderful theme called Helas. Helas is a multi-purpose WooCommerce theme, and if you are in a plan to make a e-commerce website, this can be a very good catch for you. And Helas has multiple demos available with this, so it has all a stunning look website which may be very much helpful for your business or for your next venture and whatever the plan in the e-commerce section you may have. So this can be a good catch for you. So I'll show you one of the demo. So default demo is this of Helas WordPress theme, which is a WooCommerce theme. So this is the main layout of Helas. It has something different look, and it has very simple and a stunning look. So it makes a unique website for you. This is why I am recommending this for you. And you have in fact 16 demos to choose with, so randomly we can check another one, and I am going to give the link of this demo sites in the description of this video. So this is the another look of Home 7 of Helas Multipurpose WooCommerce theme. So you can use for the purpose as you need. So, Helas was developed in 2018 only, and regular updates is also being done. So we can say it is an active theme, and it was made by La Studio, and they are elite authors. So La Studio is also a good name in the theme development section. So now in this video we will install the Helas Multipurpose WooCommerce theme in a fresh installation of WordPress along with the demo content, and we will also watch the facilities and the features available in the theme panel. So let us first start installation of Helas Multipurpose WooCommerce theme. For this I have a fresh installation of WordPress in which 2021 theme is installed, and I definitely have the Helas theme pack. So in the theme pack I got assets. So as in assets there is demo data, documentation, licensing, plugins. Plugins has some important plugins you can see, and the theme files itself. So plugins I will show you again. It is demo data, JS Composer, La Studio Core, and Revolution Slider. So now we can go for the installation and go to the WordPress dashboard, and even I am just clicking directly theme from here. So go to the WordPress themes, add new, upload theme, choose file, Helas files. The Helas.zip you need to select, and if you are having direct access of your web server, so you can directly upload the theme folder in the WP content / themes folder. So I am doing the same to save some time. Oh, that is very lightweight theme. In fact, 1.288 MB. I have rarely seen this low size theme while I am demonstrating multiple themes in a day. So it is a wonderful thing, this theme, that it has very low in size, so we can say that lightweight theme it is. So lightweight theme has its own importance. So once uploaded, we need to extract the zip file, and we got Helas folder here, in which there are all the theme files and theme components. So we can delete now the zip one, because we are not going to use it further. So come to the theme section again, and we have now Helas as a theme option, so we can check the details. It is Helas version 1.1.4 by Last Studio, and it is multipurpose WooCommerce theme. So we can activate it now. And upon activation, it says there is some necessary plugins. We can begin installing plugins. So first of all, we need to install the core and demo data along with the, so first of all, core is required always. So activate Live Studio core, and then WP Bakery Visual Composer. Activate Visual Composer. It may redirect you to the welcome page, I assume. So come back to the required plugins. Let's package demo data installed. Activate last package demo data, and we have some important plugins. Innovative Market is not required. I'm just installing rest of the plugins in one go, except the WooCommerce. I will install WooCommerce separately. We can activate the installed ones. Now comes to WooCommerce. Upon activating WooCommerce, we need to go for a basic setting of WooCommerce. I'm just putting the sample text. You need to put the original one as applicable for you. And here you need to select Helas continue with my active theme. No need to install Jetpack for the time being. We can do it on later stage. Now we have installed all the plugins and the theme itself. Now take a look of our website. This is the layout of website after installing the theme and plugins. So definitely we will go for the demo content import now, and for that we have a demo importer in the tools section. And we got all the options here of demo website, so you can choose according to your need. All are available for importing, and there are 16 demos as you can see, so for different purposes. I am installing the first one to demonstrate the theme. It will take some time because it also imports the media files, and media files take some time. So just be on this page, don't try to refresh this page or even leave this page. I got an error here, I don't know why it is, so it is from backend only. So I'll retry this demo import and let me check that what pages I have. Maybe some pages has been imported. No, I did not got any page. And let me check the media before I reinitiate the demo installation. No, there is no media, so I'm sure now I can try to re-import the demo. So I'm just clicking again on the import demo, and let us see what happens. It is processing now. So first it got an error, now it is processing. So let us wait for this. It completes. Upon completion you will reach on this screen. So import complete, and all the details has been logged here. So we can take a look of website now. Yes, the wonderful website is here, and as we have seen in the demo, all elements are here. So there is a mega menu as well, and now we can check the inner pages as well. So inner pages, we have about us, and this is having a wonderful look. And we got all the demo pages here, so you can choose any as you like. Just as we have not imported the demo for a specific way, so slider is not loading up. Definitely we can import the demo for selected one only. So this website is ready for putting the original content, and you can choose this for your upcoming e-commerce website. Definitely. Now we will take a look of the theme panel or WordPress panel, what is what we got additionally with this theme. So custom block is here, so it is not very much required. Portfolio, team member, rest of things are common, and the theme options are here in the appearance section. So here here are the options from which you can control your website. And we got general, custom favicon, logo, colors, page preload, typography, header, page title bar, sidebars, footer, blogs, sub portfolio, social media, additional code 404, newsletter, pop-up maintenance, and that's it. So it is having minimal but all the required features in the theme, and the website is this. So now, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel, because I am going to bring some wonderful themes for you and plugins as well, along with the WordPress tips which may be very helpful in the running or maintaining and even getting wonderful traffic for your website. So keep watching. Thanks